Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Mocha Jules, and if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you are one of my returning babes, hey beautiful. So as you can see, based on the title, we are doing a giveaway. My first giveaway here on YouTube. I'm so excited, and the reason why we're doing this giveaway is because we finally hit 1K. Girl, oh my gosh, like I am so excited because this was a long time coming. Like I've been on here inconsistently for the past 3 years doing this beauty thing. So as a small creator, I have been fortunate and blessed to have been receiving a bunch of PR stuff, and a lot of the stuff I already have, so it's like doubles or triples or stuff that I know that doesn't mesh well with my skin complexion, or that somebody else may be able to have it and it's okay if I don't have it. Whatever the case may be, I just got a bunch of PR stuff that I would love to give away to 2 people. As we continue to grow, I promise you it'll be way more. So as of right now, it is 2 people who could win in this giveaway, and I'm so excited to give away these things because it's a bunch of stuff that's here. And from my end, I will be adding a few goodies in there just to show extra appreciation. And just to add a cherry on top, I will be giving both winners a gift card to either Ulta or Sephora. It is your choice. You let me know and you'll be getting a $50 gift card to those stores. Honestly, I wish I could give you guys more, but your girl is on a budget, honey. But I promise you, I love doing giveaways. I love giving away stuff. So as we continue growing, I promise you it'll be way more and it'll be much better. Soon come. So it does get risky doing giveaways, as I've been seeing by watching my other favorite creators. Whenever you do giveaways, I noticed that the scammers come out. The scammers come out. So here are the disclaimers. Just to let you guys know, I will not DM anyone personally asking for money, asking for you to do anything extra. I would not ask you to click a link. Never click a link. Do not click links that are sent to you. Just don't click on these links, guys. Just don't, unless like somebody sends you to their bio or something like that, somebody that you trust, and they say click on the link of my bio or my stories. That's something different. But I would not DM you a link telling you to click it for you to go through these steps or A, B, C, or D. Make sure you are vigilant on paying attention to those people who DM you pretending to be the creators that you follow. Make sure you look at name, because sometimes the scammers may add like a period or a comma or something just to try to slightly throw you off to make it look like the actual creator's page. So my Instagram is at Mocha Jules, nothing else. There's no periods, no underscores, none of that. It's just straight at Mocha Jules. My TikTok is at I am Mocha Jules. No period, no hashtags, no nothing. It's just straight up I am Mocha Jules. And then here on my YouTube, it is just Mocha Jules. So be careful. Those are the disclaimers, just to let you babes know, because I know how it gets. Okay, so be careful, please. Now to the fun part. What will you guys have to do to win this giveaway? So you have until 11:59 p.m. Eastern time on July 8th to enter into this giveaway. That is Monday, July 8th. And I will announce the winners by July 10th. That's Wednesday, July 10th. So there's 2 steps to this. You must subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me either on Instagram or YouTube, either or. It doesn't have to be both. And whichever platform that you follow me on, Instagram or TikTok, comment below and tag 3 people that you know would love to enter into this giveaway as well. That is it. That's it, y'all. That's it. They don't have to follow me. They don't have to do all that extra stuff. Now, if they enter the giveaway, then they must follow those steps as well. But just because you tag them, they don't have to follow me if they don't want to. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully that is easy for you babes. I know some people don't have Instagram or TikTok. And if you don't, please let me know down in the comments below that you don't, and then we'll just figure something out. Okay, so I hope that helped. I hope that you babes enter, because I really truly want to give these products away, because these boxes are taking up space in my room. So I want to say thank you, and I appreciate you babes for subscribing to my channel and sticking around and just supporting me, whether it's that you're just subscribed, whether you always comment on my stuff, whether you always like my stuff. I appreciate it, and I'll forever appreciate it, because I could not do this without you babes. I really couldn't. And these PR boxes that's here, I could not do it without my community, and I'm forever ever grateful. The best is yet to come. I know it's coming, and I'm just so excited to see what else is in store. So hope you babes enter the giveaway, and that is pretty much it. And I would love to see you beauties on my next video. Bye. I love you guys.